Right, hello everybody, English Woodsman here, welcome to my YouTube channel. Most of all, thank you very much for clicking on my video. Tonight we're going to be doing a little bit of stealth camping in a small nature reserve. Now the problem with being here tonight is a warden has started walking around at night now, so too many kids are having fires, people are dumping rubbish in the car park area, so I know the warden does walk around. So I do need to be somewhere out of his walk path. Now I know he walks past the bottom pond, so I'm hoping to be in the trees out of the way. I'll get to a little spot and I'll bring you back. Right, well I've got to the spot that I want to be at. Just got to walk over. I can there's some family has something down near the water edge. That's not to worry about, I don't think. But yeah, here is where I'm going to camp. Round about just there where it's flattish. So hopefully, if he walks around, he ain't going to see too much. I'll tell you what, actually, I'll move to that spot there because it's got all these trees around and I've got something for a good idea as well. Right, so I've been just sitting around for a good 15 minutes. It's getting darker, that's a good thing. I didn't come out with a lot of good stuff tonight. It's basically a really lightweight camp. I brought out an I think this is the stratosphere, Snugpak stratosphere. I bought it off of Scott. Now if you're a standard follower to my channel, you know Scott is Oscar Outdoors. Yeah, I borrowed this one. I think it's a stratosphere anyway. The small little bivy sort of thing. And I brought out a camo net. Right, once again, if you subscribe to my channel, you've probably seen me use this in quite a few of my stealth camp videos. If you're not yet subscribed and you're liking it so far, or if you do like it through video, please do hit that subscribe button. Now here is people. This is where people are going to say, what the hell am I subscribed to him for? I've brought out a tin of tomato and basil soup with some bread, 3 slices of bread, some coffees and some water. Now the idea of stealth is quietness, you don't be seen, invisible, all that sort of stuff. So I think if I just use my alcohol stove burner for 20 minutes, maybe warming my food up and my drink, everything should be alright. And at rest at night, it's just going to be one of them nights where I'm in my hoop bivvy for quite a while. It's just the way it goes. Right, I've set up this Snugpak hoop tent thing, whatever you want to call it, and I'll let you see it. Right, so we set up this stratosphere by Snugpak. I think Scott has re-waterproofed it as well because you can smell the fab steel. That's a good thing, so it does keep raining. Standard to my channel is my double-sided air mat. I'll put a little bit more air in that later. Now this company sent me this beautiful sleeping bag out. Extraordinarily good sleeping bag. It's a down sleeping bag. I'll bring in and show you now a bit better just in case you can't see it. There we go. Now this is 0 Fahrenheit, so that means minus 17. Over in the UK, we'll never get to minus 17. I think coldest I've ever known is minus 7. But they didn't send me this as a review. They didn't send me this to show in any of my videos. They just sent me it as a gift. But it's a centre zip one as well. The zip is absolutely brilliant. Look at that inside. Look at the green on it. Oh, I'm looking forward to climbing in that tonight. Oh yes. Yes, I just want to thank them for sending me it out as a gift. They pull us somewhere, I think that's still in my bag, but I'll put that in a bit. I really want to turn this light off on my camera, to be truthful with you. That's why I'm sort of going about 90 miles an hour. I'll sort that out in a minute. Right, so it's got absolutely pitch black now. It's 9 o'clock at night. There's quite a fair few fireworks going off. Now I presume if we were going to walk around, it'll be around about, I don't know, I haven't seen any torches yet. I haven't seen anybody walking around, or I can't hear them anyway. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put my camo net up, and all I'm going to do is I'm just going to throw it over the bivi, hook bivi, and just basically just in case. The adrenaline rush that I'm getting, knowing that I could get caught being here, is a right adrenaline rush. I know it might sound stupid, but I'm not bothered about being here alone tonight. I don't have no fear of that. I've got a massive adrenaline rush, you know, not wanting to get caught. And that's amazing. I'm so like, let's go, do this, do that, get this done, get that done. I really don't want to get caught by him. I think he'll just tell me to pack up and go home, but you know what I mean? It's such a rush, I don't want to get caught. Right, I'll throw this camo net over and I'll let you see it. Right, so if he walks past, you reckon he'll see me there from a distance? I don't think he will. Not if he's far on path or at the top. I don't think he'll see that, do you? We know what we're looking for. He don't. So as long as I don't have my torch on, boom, I'm invisible. You know what I'm going to say, don't you? Don't be the person that wants to do this. Get out and be the person that does this. Maybe not this way though. There's a chance of you getting caught where you shouldn't be doing it. But that's stealth camping. Right, I'm going to get on with cooking my soup. Soup and bread for tea. Unbelievable. I really do need to kill this torch as well. Right, so if you are a follower to my channel, you'll hopefully will remember this little stove that I got. I thought actually that'd be a lot more in there. Alcohol stove. Put it like this, I need to remember to take that and not leave it round. Yeah, I'm just going to be using this. There we go. That took a few times, didn't it? Quicker when I get this going. Right, so I brought this little pan out. I'm in such a rush to cook. I even should have thought about just bringing some sandwiches maybe. I'm not bothered about bringing up to warm up. I'm sure them ducks are laughing at me or whatever they are. What an idiot. Right, we'll leave that on there. He's still going underneath and I'll bring you back in a few minutes. Right, so you can see me. I'm sure I've heard the top gate open. That top gate, no one can open. It's got 2 padlocks on. Shh. Damn. My soup's cooking away and I can see his torch. Oh man. I don't want to take that off either. Look, you can see him. Oh damn. I hope he's scared at dark. Keep still. My soup's boiling. He's there, look. Right, well, I'll just stay out of his way. My soup. See, if I don't want to switch my light on, but I'm going to have to do. So my soup's boiling a little bit. Sorry about that. Quick stir, turn camera off. It's quite a nice alcohol stove burner, this one. Not bad, eh? Right, so he's gone at back at pyramid things. It's like two big hills where they dumped all mud, made like I say, pyramids. So I wanna. That's about at least a good 15 minutes walk down bottom part woods in there as well. So that gives me a little bit of time to put my torch on and to have my dinner. Yeah, like I say, we've been walking around that other side. It gives me some time to eat. Now, to know the other side what I'm on about, you'd have to come to this place to know, 'cause it's, for me to describe it, and you know, you're elsewhere out world or part of country, it'd just be pointless me trying to sit here and describe it for you. Would be a bit pointless anyway. But yeah, you got to go down a path all the way around that woodland part of it all. It'd take him good 15-20 minutes. And in that time I'll eat my dinner. Keep going, pal. You won't believe how close he was. Honestly, it was so close. I'm saying about 30 foot away. Maybe a bit more actually, maybe 50 foot away, let's just say. This is a buzz. Oh, I don't know what bread that is, but I don't like that bread now. I've eaten a full slice of it. Ugh. That bread is horrible. Must be that healthy stuff what Mrs. keeps buying. Ugh. Right, well, I'm going to turn this torch off. I'll be with you soon. Right, well, you know what? I don't know where that warden is. I don't really need to be out much now. There's not what I can do it really anyway. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to sit in my... Well, I'm not going to sit actually, I'm going to say sit in my tent, but I'm going to lay in this sleeping bag. Whoa, the heat already, I've only been in it 5 minutes. Yeah, I'm going to zip it up, throw my little camo net over myself, and I'll bring you back in about an hour or so if I'm still awake. See you in a bit. It's getting cold, I don't know if you can see that. I've been looking back on footage, and when I saw that flashlight at Warden's, I look a right idiot. I don't think he'd tell a full-grown man, you know, to get up and get off. But it's just a chance, isn't it? Well, because this hoop bivvy is so small, there's not a lot of chance I'm going to, you know, put my camera inside and start recording night and stuff like that. Plus it is starting to rain again. So I'm going to get myself off anyway. Shame you can't see that. Yeah. I'm going to get off. I'll see you in the morning. I know there's local deers around here. But some are just like walk past the bivvy. I've got it in green mode, don't worry your phone or your tablet or computer ain't broke. I can do white or I can do red. But I think green's alright. The amount of noise it takes you to unzip and zip this hoop bivvy up, it is a bit of a pain, but I've been in it now for about an hour and a half and there's no condensation either. The gear top one I use, you get condensation in that. But this one, Been at an hour and a half. It's quite close to your face. No condensation at all. I don't want to say Oscar Outdoors is right about Snugpak. You're going to watch it anyway. I'd probably go, told you so. But yeah. If OEX does go down, I might have to start using a bit of more of this equipment. Maybe not. I might go to another brand. But yeah, I'll definitely see you in the morning. Sick to death of burning fireworks. I don't sleep much anyway. It's never ending. It ain't bothering me, you know what I mean? But it is when I'm trying to go to sleep. Any ideas, people? How I can go to sleep and have some good night's sleeps without getting drunk on alcohol? I try earplugs. They don't help me. I play music on my phone. That doesn't help me. I try listening to films. That just distracts me from going to sleep. Or is anybody else out there who just don't sleep like me? I'm always whinging, aren't I? But I am liking this hoop bivi a lot. And this sleeping bag, wow. Looking forward to winter time with this one. Right, I want to get off. I'll see you in the morning. God knows what time it'll be, but yeah, I'll definitely see you. Hey. I've only been up 10 minutes and getting barked at by someone's dog. Joys of camping, eh? I thought I was going to bite my bloody legs off. Oh god, that brought me around a bit quicker than I normally like. Yeah, so it's on I think it's 7:15. I'm going to make a coffee. I need to come round a bit. That dog didn't half make me jump. I can't even get it open. There we go. Let's make a coffee. This is the only problem with this spot. Dog walkers. Early mornings. Last night it was Warden. I think it was Warden anyway. If not, someone were walking around. With a torch. But from what somebody else told me, with Warden around here at night, probably Warden. Let's wait for that to, you know what, I was going to wait for it to bloom out edges, but let's just get this drink going. I put the light on my phone because with the camera it's still not picking the daylight up 100%. I'll just stick it on and see how it goes there. Have I put it out? No. Well, it was boiling already then, didn't it? It's not though. I think I've woke up now, people. I only went for a wee. I just put my little man away and the dog ran over barking at me like that. That was a different wakening, wasn't it? Yeah, well, I think my water's boiled. Yes, that's what we want to see. Let's put this out. Yeah, remember to pour that back in bottle once it cools down. There we go, it's out. It's not a bad little alcohol stove, that one. It's pretty good. I just wish the top were a screw on, not just a place over. If it were a screw on, it'd be a lot easier. I can just screw the lid on now and use that at a later date instead of having to tip the alcohol fuel back into the bottle. I do enjoy these sort of camps, you know, peaceful camping, no fire, just that alcohol stove. Yeah, well, I've put quite a bit of equipment away, not all of it, but some of it. I was going to sneeze then, sorry about that. I don't know what's going on down there with all them lot. Right, well, I'm going to get off anyway. If you hit this here, or it'll be here actually, you better subscribe to my channel. That'd be great if you do, and you see more videos like this. And if you click up here, more camping videos and some cooking videos there. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please do subscribe, check out some of my videos, and I'll see you later on for the next one.